Are you thinking of buying a home in Austin, Texas, and have no idea where to start? If so, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Nicole Perry, owner-broker of Nicole Perry Homes with Realty ONE Group Prosper. First thing, before doing anything else, you need to know what you can afford. Getting qualified for a loan is essential when looking to purchase a home. You truly need to understand the costs associated with being a homeowner and qualifying for a loan. Don't put the cart before the horse and start house hunting just yet. We need to get your finances secured so you don't lose any unnecessary money. So your very first step when buying a home in Austin, Texas is meeting a mortgage lender and getting qualified. I've got amazing references that you can meet with to make sure you're safe and secure in regards to the financing aspect of purchasing a home. Don't make the same mistakes as so many others do. They go house hunting prior to going mortgage shopping. There are things that you have to consider before looking at homes. Things like knowing how much of a down payment you'll need, what closing costs will be associated with getting the loan, the cost for inspections and any other expenses that may arise with your loan, as well as purchasing your new home. Our Nicole Perry Homes team is highly trained in all of these and would love to help you in the sale of your home. Nicole Perry with Nicole Perry Homes and Realty ONE Group Prosper, and we're always here to help, and we'll refer you to one of our trusted mortgage professionals so we can get you well on your way to becoming a homeowner.